Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming what connection path you'll use, wired HDMI or the projector's Wi-Fi/AirPlay mode. Plug the Lightning or USB-C digital AV adapter into your iPhone, then attach a standard HDMI cable to the adapter and the Dbpower Projector. Power the projector and set it to the HDMI input. Once done, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and ready to mirror. This initial physical connection avoids confusion and gives you a direct, stable signal to check next steps. With cables connected, switch the Dbpower input to the matching HDMI port and wait for the iPhone screen to appear. If you prefer wireless, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and select the projector's AirPlay name after joining its Wi-Fi network. Once mirrored, adjust projector settings. Set aspect ratio to 16:9 for typical content, match resolution if available, and choose the projector as the audio output. These steps stabilize image scaling and sound, so your presentation or video looks correct. Finish by playing a short video or sliding through photos to confirm smooth playback and audio from the projector. Tweak focus and keystone for a sharp, rectangular image. If you don't see a signal, disconnect and reconnect the adapter and HDMI cable, confirm the adapter has any required power, and make sure your iPhone is unlocked and not prompting for permission. If problems persist, update your iPhone iOS and the projector firmware, because compatibility fixes often resolve stubborn connection failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.